My name is Abram, and working with Fu has been great. I think he's been taking time out of his day to kind of prioritize. It felt like we were prioritized, and I feel that he did a good job of being on time with our showings and getting our offers out, and he did a really good job.
My name is Jacqueline, and working with Fu was, I would say, seamless. Like Abram said, I felt like he was very responsive. Every time we had a question, we always felt like maybe we were bothering with all the text messages, but he always assured us that he was never bothered, and he, would respond to us any time of the day, no matter the time, and always made sure to make time for us and, get our needs met. So also very optimistic through this very difficult housing market. So that was also encouraging too. Fu was very professional, like I said, always very responsive, sent us listings for different houses that fit our needs or our criteria. Again, always very professional, punctual, and just made sure to just treated us like we were high priority clients.
Yeah, I think out of a scale of 1 to 10, Fu, I'd give a 9.5.
Very knowledgeable about the neighborhoods that we went to go visit, even though we visited several different neighborhoods in Irvine. It wasn't just one particular neighborhood, but he was very knowledgeable about all the areas that we visited. And what was the second part of the question?
That was it. It was just...
Yeah, that was pretty much it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think Fu's expertise in Irvine is unmatched. I think he prioritized Irvine to be his main clientele and area. And with that, I think it kind of showed with his knowledge, with the knowledge he's given us throughout the whole process. Fu's responsiveness has been really, really good. There are times where I would get emails at almost 1 in the morning, I would remember. So yeah, in the morning. And so he's been really responsive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, not worried about like, oh, he hasn't texted us back, or we haven't heard from him, or what's going on. Like, we always pretty much got a response in a very timely manner, so very professional. I would definitely recommend Fu to family and friends, especially ones who are looking in this particular area of not just Irvine, but Orange County. I would definitely recommend Fu as an agent to friends and family. Hopefully in the future, if that time comes again where we're in the market or looking to sell or buy again, I would definitely go back to Fu. I'd keep him in my contacts. We've used him in the past for other, living experiences for rent, and then now for purchasing our first home. So I would definitely use him again in the future.
I will definitely use Fu in the future. I think his responsiveness and his expertise, and specifically Irvine, will drive my decision to use him again.